Dear students, hope you are doing well. By the grace of Almighty, this is Shibu Roy, student teacher English, Ibrahim Memorial Shikha Niketan, Bilgonj, Dinaspur. Today, I am going to teach you right form of verbs. Right form of verbs. Right form of verb means the actual and current appearance of a verb. You know that verb is an important element of a sentence, but we need to learn about the uses of verb and the right form of them. So, after finishing our class, we will be able to give a right form of any kind of verb in any kind of sentences. So, let's begin our class. To do right form of any kind of verb, we have to know about number. You know, you are very much familiar with this subject, the number. We know that number is of two kinds. First one is singular and later one is plural. You are very much familiar with those two words, singular and plural. What does the word singular number mean? Singular number means there will be a single object, single person, single thing, or single idea. What does the plural number mean? Plural number means there will be more than one object, more than one subject, more than one person, more than one idea. That means there will be two or two plus. Okay? Hope you understand it. So, do you know which verbs are singular and which verbs are plural? Do you know it? I am writing here the singular verbs. Singular verbs. What are the singular verbs? If I start with the auxiliary verbs, what will be there? Am, is, was, has. After that, does and did. Those are, and if I put the had, those are singular auxiliary verbs. Those are singular auxiliary verbs. Okay? Those are singular verbs. Now, I am writing here that go. Go is a verb and I am putting here yes. That means goes becomes a singular verb. If we find any verb with s or yes, if we find any verb with s or yes, then we will identify the verb as a singular verb. I am repeating it. If we find any verb with s or yes, then the verb will be in the form of singular verb. You understand it? After that, you may write it is the base form, and I am putting here s. S. So what is it? It is a singular verb. Hope you understand it. Please write it down in your exercise book. So the singular verbs am, is, was, has, does, did, had. And if we find any kind of verb with s or yes, then we will think that it is a singular verb. Understand it? I am writing here plural verbs. Plural verbs are what? The except auxiliary verbs are, were, have, do, did, and had. You know that did and had are past form of do, does, did, the past form of do and does, and had is the past form of had. You all know it. So you will see that the plural verbs are, plural auxiliary verbs are, were, have, do, did, and had. Hope you understand it. After a few minutes ago, I have already told you that if you find any verb with s or yes, then it will become a singular verb. So what are the plural verbs? If we find the base form of verb, if we find any base form of a verb, that means those base form is go, and this base form is it. So go and it is respectively plural verbs. Respectively are plural verbs. It's clear that if the verb is in the base form, then it will be the plural form, plural verb. And if the verb has as or is, then what will be it? It will be a singular verb. Is clear? Hope you have noted it down. After that, we will learn about singular or plural subjects. Singular subjects, plural subjects, singular subjects, plural subjects. We all know that what are the singular subjects and what are the plural subjects. So singular subjects are I, he, she. Those are plural subjects. And any kind of name that like that, Rimu, Shimu, those are singular subjects. That means any kind of name and I, he, she, it, those are singular subjects. You understand it? After that, go for plural subjects. What are plural subjects? Plural subjects are we, they, and if we find with any kind of subject with s or es, that means boy, and we are adding here s, that means boys. There are many boys. You understand it? So boys, if I write here boy, girl, those are singular subject. But if I add dir as girls, girl is a plural subject. You understand it? Look at the board that singular subjects are I, he, she, it, Rimu, Shimu. Boy, girl, any kind of single subject is a singular subject that describes only one person. It will be a singular person, singular subject. And what are the plural subjects are? We, they, boy, girls. That means more than one person. More than one person will be a plural subject. Hope you understand it. So go for next one. After that, we will learn about person. After that, we will learn person. You are also very much familiar with the subject person. Do you know it? So, how many kinds of a person? There are three kinds of person. There are three kinds of person. First one is first person, second person, and third person. First person, second person, and third person. So, what subjects are in first person? First person are I and we. First person are I and we. And second persons are you. Second persons are you. And third person are any person's name. Any kind of name or except those persons, that means he, she, it, Rimu, Shimu, and etc. That means I or we are first person. What is this? I or we are first person, you second person, and except those three subjects, I, we and you, the except all are third persons. You understand it? So except those three subjects, all subjects are third person. You understand it? So we find person is of three kinds. First person, the first persons are I and we. Second persons are you, and the third person, except those three subjects, all are third person. You understand it? Hope you note it down in your exercise book. So now I am going to the real part of right form of verbs. So I am writing a sentence here. I dash I have write down a sentence here. I dash bracket B a student of class 6. So we need to fill this gap with verb. Verb. As I have wrote it earlier, the verb are am, is, are, was, were. Those are called verb. So we have to fill the gap with am, is, are, was, were. So I am seeing here that I is a single person. That means singular number. I is a singular number. So if we find any subject with singular number, write down the rule: subject singular. Subject singular. After that, plus verb singular. The students, look at here. If the subject is singular, then the verb will be a plural verb 1. Then the verb will be singular. If the subject is singular, then the verb will be singular. You understand it? If the subject is singular, then the verb will be singular. So we are seeing here that I is a singular subject. I is a singular subject. So what will be there? So we know that the singular verbs are am, is, was. Those are singular verbs. So what will we put here? We can put here am of the was. We cannot put is. We can put here am. If we do it in the form of present form, then we put am. And if we need to fill it up with past form, past tense, then we will put was. So I am putting here am. I am my student of class 6. You understand it? So we know that those are singular verb. Singular verb are am, is, and was. As I am seeing here that I is a singular subject, so I am putting here a singular verb. As we have told that you need to fill this gap with a verb. You understand it? Why I am putting here am? I am a student of class 6. Hope you understand it. Go for the next one. The boy play cricket. Look at the board that the boy play cricket. We need to fill this gap with the word play. We have given her the base form of the word, base form of the verb play. We need to fill it up. As we earlier is singular. Here, look at the subject there, the boy. That means only a boy. That means the subject is a singular subject. The subject is a singular. So we need to put here the singular verb. What do we need to put? We need to put here singular verb. We know that what is the singular form of play? Singular form of play is, what is the singular form of play? You all know that if we add s or es with a verb, that will become a singular verb. So what do we put here? The boy plays cricket. You understand it? As the subject is a singular subject, that's why we make the verb play into singular form. We make the verb as singular. Play to plays. We just what we did? We just add s in the verb. Okay? As the verb is a singular verb. As the subject is singular, then the verb is singular. You understand the rules? That if the subject is in the form of singular, then the verb will be singular. You understand it? Now I am erasing it. I am writing down a sentence that they gap play cricket. In our previous two sentences, we learned that if the subject is singular, then the verb will be in the form of singular. But in this sentence, you are seeing that they means, what does that mean? They means plural subject. They means plural subject. So that is not matching with our previous rule. After that there is a gap and given a verb play after that the object. So if we find any plural subject, so what will we do? If the subject is plural, then the verb will be plural. If the subject is plural, then the verb will be plural. You understand it? Please note it down. If the subject is plural, then the verb will be plural. So we need to make the verb play in the form of plural. We need to make the verb into plural form. So we know that verbs base form is a plural form. Verbs base form is a plural form. So play is here in the base form. So we know that play is a plural verb. So we need not to make any change here. They play cricket. We just did it very simply that we just put here they. As we know that if the subject is plural, then the verb will be plural. You understand it? Hope you write it down. So I am going for the next sentence. So you see that I have wrote down a sentence that the people of Bangladesh dash be very poor. In our number one, I have told you that we need to fill this gap with the verb. In our rule, you see that if the subject is plural, then the verb will be plural. So go for the sentence. The people of Bangladesh. The people of Bangladesh. The people of Bangladesh is a singular subject. No, the people of Bangladesh is a plural subject. That's why we need to put here the verb in the form of plural. We know that the people of Bangladesh is not a single man. It's about 160 million people here. 160 million people. So it is not a plural subject. It is not a singular subject. So the subject is plural. So we need to put here the plural verb. We need to put here the plural verb. So what are the plural verbs? The plural verbs are where? The plural verbs are or where? So what we will put here? We will put here the people of Bangladesh are. The people of Bangladesh are very poor. The people of Bangladesh are very poor. As the subject is in the form of plural, so we need to put here the plural verb, as we are told that you need to use the verb. Okay? We can put here also where also. We can put here where also. If we think that in the past the people of Bangladesh were poor, that means in the past we are poor, now we are become rich, but we are still in suffering for poverty. So I am put here are. The people of Bangladesh are very poor. Hope you understand it. So dear students, hope you like my class. Now I am giving some exercises that you will do practices at your home. Dear students, you need to fill those sentences. I have given you 5 sentences. It is your homework. So I think that if you do my classes, you can fill those sentences with right form of verb. So I am finishing my class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.